This is a game. You will see that pointer hand with colored dots and finger numbers, one number at a time. And you will see a piano key going up and down. You will also hear me saying the words of the game and a metronome tapping, and you will also hear the piano sound for the key that is playing. Watch, clap, say the words, tap the correct fingers, play the correct keys, however you want to play this game. This is finger number 1. Right hand 1 is blue and playing on a C. Now, this is finger number 2. Right hand 2 is red and playing on a D. Now, this is finger number 3. Right hand 3 is green and playing on an E. Now, this is finger number 4. Right hand 4 is brown and playing on an F. Now, this is finger number 5. Right hand 5 is pink and playing on a G. Do this game lots of times until you can say all the words while playing the correct keys all by yourself without the help of this video. And remember, those wonderful fingers will be able to do this really well. Just remember to keep helping them learn this game. Bye.